Hello. Whenever we are speaking about business continuity in the management, I've always said business as usual at Vizag. And to make that happen, I know how Moti, Sundar, and Siraj had cope up and adapted to the prevailing scenarios outside. A big note of thanks, and we count upon you. Stay safe.
Sendil, thank you so much for your support during this COVID 19 pandemic situation. From the day one, you are supporting to the entire people in the unit, arranging a passes for especially for TCW, who they are very much afraid to come in initial stage, but you gone and explain to their families and all. Raju, and you also doing a extraordinary job for arranging your delivery route vehicles and delivery persons, talking to a delivery person to come to office, and especially for arranging a transport. Initially they are very difficult to, the drivers are not able to come, but you, after your explanation given to the transporter, especially directly spoken to driver, make them confident to come to job. And they are also coming with a job. You are as you both the guys really doing extraordinary and good supporting during this period. I am thank you so much for this support.
Hi, all. A big thank you to all the team members who have supported us during this Corona and COVID times. Special mention of Senthil, Raju, Swati, and Sanjay. Thank you for all the efforts. What can I say about Senthil? Senthil is an indispensable part of Lindstrom India team. You are one of the jewels of the crown of Lindstrom India. Like how Akbar had 9 jewels, so you are like that, the Navratna. You definitely don't talk much and clearly believe in more action and make things work. So a big thank you to you all. Raju is the Bahubali of Chennai team, clearly and single-handedly taking the CS team on his shoulders. Great work, Raju. Again, you believe in action, and thank you for being part of the team. Great work in working under so much pressure and getting things done. Sanjay, you have been very calm and composed during this time and handled the people with great aplomb. Thank you so much again for being part of Bangalore team and doing your work relentlessly. You keep it going even during pressure times. That is truly to be appreciated. You've grown over the last few months and I see a lot of change in you. Thank you so much for taking it to the next level. All the best. Thank you, Swati, for being a part of Bangalore team and uplifting the spirits. You are the glue that is ensuring that we all gel together in Bangalore. The team spirit after you have joined has grown manifoldly in Bangalore because of your presence and your efforts. Thank you so much. A special mention of how you have handled things during this corona with a lot of calm and ease. Stay like this. Wishing you all the best. Thank you so much.
Hi, South team. My sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for making our operations run smoothly even during this tough times. Each one of you have gone much beyond your call of duty, and we really appreciate that. And our sincere gratitude to each one of you for this. Apart from that, I also wish to thank each and every one of your family members who have been supporting you during this tough times. All the very best.